Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 7 things that wear your clutch down fast. That's right, these are 7 things that will wear your clutch down fast. 7 specific things that will wear your clutch down fast. If you want to get a new clutch soon, you're gonna do these 7 things, okay? Okay, and a lot of beginner drivers will do these things, but I would say most beginner manual drivers will do these things, but if you're doing these things and you're an expert level or an advanced level driver, you should change your ways a little bit. Okay, anyways, let's get into this. I'm gonna go through this quickly because I still have a few more videos to film and my battery is running low on my camera, so let's get into this. Number 1, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Number 1, driving with your foot on the clutch. Okay, driving with your foot on the clutch. If you're literally moving the car and you're not switching gears, you should not be putting your foot on the clutch. Your foot should be resting to the side of the clutch. If you're driving with your foot on the clutch, bad news, you're gonna wear down your clutch. Number 2, holding the clutch down while in neutral. Now this one's debatable. Some people say it does nothing. Some people say it wears down your clutch. But if you're in neutral, then there's no reason for your foot to be pressing down on the clutch. Your clutch should only be pressed down when you are essentially about to switch gears, okay? No need to push down your clutch or halfway your clutch in neutral, whatever the case is, okay? Yeah, just keep your foot off the clutch when you're in neutral. Very simple. Put your foot on the clutch to put it in neutral, but then take your foot off the clutch when you're in neutral, okay? Rest it to the side. Number 3, if you're starting on hills a lot. So starting on hills is part of driving, but when you start on hills, you're wearing in the clutch more than starting on a flat surface or flat ground. And essentially, if you start on hills often, you're going to wear down your clutch. It's that simple. Number 4, not pushing the clutch down all the way when you're shifting gears, okay? Now, as your clutch wears down, the biting point is going to be higher and higher. So essentially, you can get away with not pushing it down all the way. But here's the thing. If you don't push it down all the way and you shift gears while your clutch is still new, you're going to be wearing down your clutch. And I would recommend you should always push your clutch down all the way when you're shifting gears. Don't be lazy, just push it down all the way, okay? Number 5, because like I said, number 4, if you don't push your clutch down all the way, you're going to wear it down. Unless it's already worn down, in which the biting point is pretty high up, then you're not going to really do much damage to it, but in that case, you've already worn it down anyways, okay? Number 5, okay? Going hard on the gas while the clutch is down halfway. So essentially, when you're like starting to move and you're releasing the clutch, you're gonna need to push the gas a little bit. And if your clutch is still in the halfway position or not fully released and you push the gas down a lot, that's known as like riding the clutch, and you're gonna wear down your clutch. Simple as that. Number 6, changing gears too fast, okay? If you shift gears too fast, like you think you're racing. I know you're thinking, ba, 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 ba. I know, yeah, when I was younger, you gas it up and you want to shift gears as fast as possible, but you do wear down your clutch. Hence why I needed a new clutch on my car after, I think, like 5 years or 6 years. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I think 5 years, no. 4 years, something like that. I needed a new clutch in my car because, like I said, I was changing gears too fast and I learned the hard way. I had to pay a lot of money for a clutch, and I think I got a flywheel at the time too because it was already opened up, okay? Anyways, I believe, if I remember correctly. Last but not least, the 7th thing that will wear down your clutch fast is getting a bad or cheap clutch. When you go to get a new clutch, the majority of the money is spent taking the transmission stuff apart. So the cost of the clutch, getting a better clutch, is honestly slightly minimal, the extra expense. So I would say, you're already paying for the labor, you might as well spend a little bit more money on a better clutch, because a cheap clutch just won't last as long. It's as simple as that. And that's it. Those are 7 things that wear your clutch down fast. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video on the things that wear your clutch down fast, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, so hopefully you can avoid that happening to your vehicle. So please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.